Welcome to Auto Trend, your go-to source for the latest automotive insights. In today's episode, we're steering our focus towards the newly released 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Toyota's off-road and truck offerings are the freshest they've ever been following a busy 2 years of new products, and after a long wait, the 4Runner has finally received the modernization treatment. If you enjoyed this video, let the YouTube algorithm know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting and subscribing to our channel so that you stay up to date with all the latest automotive news. Overview of the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Toyota has kept the iconic roll-down rear window, and the new 4Runner's exterior design stays true to its roots with a bold and handsome look. The rest of the iconic 4Runner, however, has been thoroughly modernized. And don't worry about modernization making the 4Runner lose its edge, this has not happened. It's packed with off-roading gear, ready to conquer any trail. One can expect to see the new 4Runner hitting Toyota showrooms by the end of 2024. So what's new? After a long decade and a half, the fifth generation of the 4Runner has come to an end, making way for the brand new sixth generation model. This latest version uses the 2024 Tacoma pickup truck as its foundation, offering more modern features while still keeping that rugged exterior design that we all love. Pricing. Toyota has not released the official pricing for the 2025 4Runner just yet, but we anticipate a slight price increase over the 2024 model. We expect the 2025 Toyota 4Runner to start around $43,000 and go up to roughly $54,000, depending on the trim and options. Once we at Auto Trend get the official pricing details from Toyota, we'll update this story with all the specifics and recommend the best trim for you. Engine, transmission, and performance. The big news is that the old SUV's archaic 4-liter V6 is gone. The 2025 4Runner comes equipped with a powerful 278 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The base versions of the 4Runner won't feature the hybrid system, but adding the hybrid option bumps power up to 317 horsepower. Unlike the Tacoma, however, there will be no ultra-base version with lower power outputs and an available manual transmission. The standard setup is a rear-wheel drive layout, but for those who crave adventure, a full-time 4-wheel drive system is available. This system features a 2-speed transfer case with both high and low ranges. The base 4Runner has 9.2 inches of ground clearance, but off-road-focused models with bigger 33-inch tires will raise that number slightly. The 4Runner is packed with terrain-conquering equipment, such as optional disconnecting stabilizer bars, a locking rear differential, and an off-road cruise control system. For those opting for the hybrid models, you get even more off-road goodies, including manually adjustable dampers. Trim levels. The 4Runner will come in 7 different flavors. SR5, TRD Sport, Limited, TRD Off-Road, and TRD Pro will be familiar to the 4Runner faithful, but there are 2 big new additions. The 4Runner Platinum takes the limited model and adds a load of creature comforts like heated second-row seats, a standard tow tech package, a head-up display, and automatic rain-sensing wipers for a more luxurious on-road experience. The TRD Pro used to sit alone at the top of the food chain, but it now shares that spot with the new 4Runner Trailhunter. The TRD Pro is built for going fast over off-road bumps and dunes, while the Trailhunter is here to, well, hunt trails. It features the same off-road goodies as the Tacoma Trailhunter, including Trailhunter-specific upper control arms and 33-inch off-road tires as standard. Towing and payload capacity. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner boasts an impressive maximum towing capacity of 6,000 pounds. This is a significant improvement of 1,000 pounds over the previous generation. It's a robust figure that outshines many of its competitors, including the Jeep Wrangler. Interior, comfort, and cargo. If the cabin of the 4Runner looks familiar, that's because it borrows much of its design from the most recent Sequoia, Tacoma, and Tundra pickup trucks. The dashboard and infotainment setup are almost identical. All these new models share similar chunky shifter knobs, buttons, and switchgear. Inside the 4Runner, you'll find storage bins thoughtfully placed throughout, and all the controls are within easy reach for the driver. Climate controls, the switches for the 4WD system, and the toggles for lights and auxiliary inputs are all physical, no haptic feedback here. There are multiple USB Type-C ports to keep you charged up, a wireless charging pad, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto too. Another quirk of 4Runners in the past was their cramped interior dimensions. Unfortunately, that also carries over to the new generation. The seating position is high, which you'd expect for an SUV of this type, but the front row will feel snug for anyone over 6 feet tall. The doors and center console feel too close to you and headroom is hard to come by. The same carries over to the rear seats. Larger backseat riders will be pleased with their 2 USB-C ports, but they might be left wanting for both knee and headroom. At least Toyota kept the 4Runner's roll-down tailgate glass intact. Like its predecessors, the 4Runner can be transformed into a pseudo-convertible by rolling down all 4 windows, lowering the power-operated rear window, and sliding open the optional sunroof. It may not be as open-air as a Jeep Wrangler or a Ford Bronco with their roofs removed, but it sure is a great way to enjoy nature while hitting the trails. Infotainment system and tech features. The infotainment and technology area is where the 2025 4Runner really stands out compared to the previous generation. While the 2024 model was quite basic, the new one is packed with high-tech features. A standard 8-inch infotainment display runs Toyota's latest software, which we found to be both user-friendly and quick to load. For those looking for even more, there's an optional 14-inch display and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. As mentioned in the interior discussion prior to this, every model comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The 2025 models also come with a digital key system that allows you to lock, unlock, and start your 4Runner with a smartphone app. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Toyota provides a limited warranty that covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Toyota also provides a powertrain warranty that covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. This coverage matches industry norms. Something which Toyota provides, which is a rarity in this class, is a complimentary maintenance which provides coverage for 2 years or 25,000 miles. So folks, that wraps up our look at the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. With its blend of rugged design, modern technology, impressive off-road capabilities, and comprehensive safety features, the new 4Runner is set to make a big splash. Whether you're tackling tough trails or cruising through the city, the 2025 4Runner has got you covered. We can't wait to see this powerhouse hit the showrooms by the end of 2024. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the 2025 Toyota 4Runner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and the latest automotive news. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, folks, stay safe on the roads.